Okay, welcome to my channel Collab Learners. Today we are here to discuss another set of literary terms starting from the letter A. So these are the literary devices which we will discuss today: authorial intrusion, autobiography, avant-garde and axiom. So the first literary device is authorial intrusion. It is when the author knowingly breaks from the narrative and begins to address the reader directly. It creates a relationship between the author and the reader. It also creates irritation when it is used wrongly. So here the author breaks the narrative and begins to address the reader directly in his story. For example, in Hawthorne, The Scarlet Letter, Hugo in Les Miserables, and Fitzgerald in Great Gatsby, here author has used the authorial intrusion in his story. Second literary device is autobiography. It is a story of the author himself. He represents his own life and achievements. It never comes to the state of completion. It never comes to an end before the death of author, because it is an autobiography. So he will tell the story. He will continue telling his story by himself. Okay. So Dr. Johnson prefers autobiography to biography. But here Longfellow consider autobiography as a result of first-hand experience, while biography is the result of second-hand knowledge. So whatever written by the author himself is termed as autobiography, and whatever thing we write for a person, that is known as biography. Third literary device is avant-garde. It covers artists, writers whose ideas are ahead of their time, or a new writing which shows innovation in style and matter. So new innovation or new style or new matter is termed as avant-garde. For example, we can say here an up and coming painter who is using a new and modern painting style, that painter is termed as avant-garde here. So the fifth literary device is axiom. It is a self-evident proposition that needs no proof. So example, nothing can be both not be or not be at the same time in the same respect. So at a time nothing can be and not be, and these are termed as axiom in English literature. So we have discussed four literary devices. Here comes to an end with the alphabet A, and next time we will discuss the literary device starting from the letter B. And I hope you understand the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, and be with us. Thank you.